Today we are in our hometown Cologne and we want to show you the city from a different perspective.
And we want to test our new camera Insta360 One R. This is the Insta360 One R. There are two lenses, one for wide angle and one is 360 degrees, and we will test it now.
The first thing we want to test is the selfie stick. It's totally invisible while filming, and what that means we will show you now. With the invisible selfie stick and a 360 degrees lens, the whole film looks like drone images.
Wow, we are many people at the weekend, but you can just film and then you put the clip in the app and you can reframe it. So you can decide which position in the clip is important for you. If you want to a square, for example, or you want one-to-one for Instagram or wide angle, whatever you want, it's really easy.
Where is Thomas? Ah, there!
In the app there's the option Shot Lab, and there you find smart templates, and artificial intelligence helps you to create funny clips and really great ones, and I will show you how it works.
Just from Cologne.
And what do you think of the new perspectives and short clips? Just write us a comment.
The link to the camera you will find in the video description.